everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my bedroom makeover episode 3. So in today's video we are going to be painting this wall and the back wall, and I'm really excited for this. So I hope that you do enjoy. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn the post notification bell so you know every single time that I upload. And without further ado, let's get on with it. Right then, so if you saw my last makeover video, then you will know that I couldn't get all the wallpaper off this wall, and finally I have done it. It's off. So I bought a step ladder. I thought I'm gonna have to do it. I bought a step ladder, and do you know what? Turns out step ladders aren't even expensive. It was like £20. So I bought that, and I'm excited now. Like, I got to a point where I was like, I really can't be bothered now because I couldn't get to the top of the wall. I was like, really, I'm over it now. I can't be bothered. But now that I can actually do it, I'm excited. So let's go on with it. I just need to go around the, oh, you can't see it. Let me move you. There we go. So I just need to go around the light sockets and just paint around those. And the same with like the skirting boards and around the doors. So I'm going to pop a time lapse in of me doing that now. So that is the light switch done. It doesn't, you can't really tell much of a difference in the camera, but it just looks a little bit fresher. So that's brilliant. Good morning everyone. So it is a couple days later now, and look, it is done. So all the wallpaper is down. I painted the wall. I thought there's no point in me showing you that I painted the wall because literally it was just going white. It was really boring and it was just covering up like a white wall. So it was so boring. But today we are going to be doing the wallpapered wall, and I'm excited for this one. I feel like this one will be quite satisfying. So I got up early, so I think it's about 10 o'clock, 10:30, something like that. So I woke up about 8:15. Then I did some little bits around the house this morning, and yeah, I'm gonna start this wall now, and I'm excited, but I'm nervous at the same time because I feel like it's just gonna take ages. But it shouldn't do. I went out yesterday and I bought some new rollers, or a new roller, because the one I was using, it was okay, but it didn't spin all the way around. So I bought a new roller, and hopefully that will be better. Well, it is better because it did that wall well quick. So hopefully this wall isn't going to take too long. And then the only other thing I've got to do is I've just got to do this wall where my window is. I've just got to sort of patch that up because it is looking quite patchy around the top. Also, did I tell you I got a step ladder? I think I did, but I got a step ladder now, so that's really good. And yeah, so that is the plan for today, this wall here, and I'm really excited. I was going to move the camera down, but then I thought I'm going to have to put it back up again. So I just thought I'd come up here to talk to you. I think this is going to take me a while, purely because I'm going to have to do quite a few coats. But, I mean, it's not that bad. It could be worse. It's just, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but because I'm painting over the brick effect, the paint doesn't give that coverage. So, I mean, it's fine. It's just going to take a while, but it's okay. I've got all day. I mean, I'm not doing anything. We're in lockdown, so it's fine. But yeah, that's sort of the situation. I need to clean my paintbrushes, completely forgot. I need to clean my paintbrushes because I need to go around the tops, sides and bottoms of, oh my god, of everything. So I'm going to do that now actually, because I need to go out and soak in hot water, and then I'll come back and do some more of this. Right then, so the wall is, oh god, Well, I've painted it and this is how it's looking. So obviously I need to do a few more coats, maybe 2 more coats possibly. But that didn't take too long. It took me probably about an hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours. No, what time is it? But it probably took me about an hour and a half. So yeah, I might try and edit this video together, and then I'm gonna finish this off. But also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you downstairs and put my furniture together. Well, furniture, I've got the cube thing that I bought, which is gonna go down here. So I need to take that downstairs and do that. So I have got, can't sit like that. So I have got the cube thing here. So here it is. So I just need to open this up, see what's in here, and get going with it. No way! No way have I just done that! Oh my god! It was going so well. Let me move you up a little bit. It was going so well. Oh no! I'm such an idiot! How am I this stupid? How? Okay, that one's out. We might be able to salvage it, but I don't know. I don't think we will. It's not happening, guys. Ah, my hand! Oh, I'm such an idiot! There's literally nothing I can do. Oh, I've paint them. That's fine. I'll just paint them. Why didn't I think of that? Such an idiot. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I've just done that. But I mean, they look fine. They look good. They look alright. Oh wait. You're not going to see the back of it anyway. Because I've got those grey things to go. Let me go and get the grey things and let's see how it looks when it's finished. I forgot about them. Let's get these open and let's see how these look. I can't believe I've just done that. I really can't. And then I just forgot that I had these. So, let's put it up. And then what I'm thinking for these is just like stuff out of my bedside table that's in there at the minute. Oh, cute. And then like all of like my hair stuff, so all of like my straighteners, my curlers, my whatever else I've got, hair dryer, things like that, just to keep it all like tidy. Oh yeah, see, that looks nice. And then in these I'm gonna put like photo frames and stuff. I think that'll look cute, like, or I might even put my awards in there. I'm not sure yet. Or maybe even like something random, like plants or something. Just to add a little bit more colour. Look, yeah, I might put a plant in there. I might get like a succulent. And yeah, but I'll let you know what happens. But I'm going to go to, what day is it today? So it's Friday. So the day that you're watching this, so tomorrow is Saturday. I'm going to go to the range and I'm going to pick up all of, I need to get some pictures and things like that for my room, and I'm going to get maybe something to go in here, so maybe like I said, like a succulent or something, or even maybe like something like a hanging plant. I don't know, I'll think of something to go on these, but this looks really nice, look. So I'm really impressed with that. I think that looks so good. Yeah, and then yeah, I can just put all of like my whatever in these, and I think that's just going to be so much easier. Happy with that, and after the absolute palaver we've just had, I think it looks quite good. Oh dear Lord, what is going on with this hair of mine? Let me sort it out 1 sec. So that's a bit better. Oh God. Oh dear. Right then, so the wall it's going to need a couple more layers, but I'm going to end this video here just so that I can get on with finishing the room and I can show you exactly how it looks. Probably next week, so I'll do like a full bedroom tour with all of the new, well, the bits of new furniture I've got and the new layout. The only thing I haven't got still is a bed. I still need to find one. I'm really picky. I didn't even realise I was. But yeah, I just need to get a bed and then the room is done. So I'm really, really excited for you to all see how that's going to look when it's all done. But I hope that you did enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, seeing every single time that I upload. And don't forget to follow me and Lauren over on the Stereo app. I will leave that link down below. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. And I will see you again in my next video. Bye!